If there's two things you guys really tend to like, it's anything to do with Rapunzel or Tangled, or things to do with princess makeup. And so when Colourpop came out with their own Rapunzel makeup, I can't even tell you how many of you sent me this and was like, oh my goodness, you need to look at this. We've got a package from Colourpop and we're gonna unbox, react to, and do a little review of the Rapunzel makeup from Colourpop. Hello and welcome to the Queendom. I'm Sarah Engel and today we are unboxing this little box here from Colourpop. We have Rapunzel makeup inside of here, which is awesome because I love Rapunzel. She's my favorite. I know I ranked the princesses and I rated Mulan higher than her, but honestly, like Rapunzel's still my favorite. I just had to rank her higher because she saved a big country. Anyway, so without further ado, let's just jump into this. Oh, rip it open. Oh, whoa, this packaging. I don't think it's supposed to rip like it did. I've uncovered a secret hidden teddy bear stuffing. Let it snow, let it snow. That's gross. It's like I just created a dust bunny forest. Yeah, anyway, let me pull this out carefully. Colourpop. This is cute. I don't think it has anything to do with Rapunzel, but it's cute. I See the Light. It's called the I See the Light kit. By the way, I will link in the description to where you guys can get this if you want it to. And, oh, the packaging. The back. Disney Designer Collection I See the Light Rapunzel Bundle. It comes with a liquid lipstick, and you know what it's called? It's called Flynn. I feel like it should be named Eugene or Horace. Floating Lights is the pressed powder blush. Lynn and Floating Lights. I like that we kind of got the alliteration going on, and the packaging is so pretty. I love this. Oh, does this open up? Oh, she's in her pretty designer dress, like the doll. This is the actual case. I have Rapunzel actually on the makeup. Oh, I'm happy. I'm a happy camper. Oh, it's a really pretty color. I like this color. It feels like it's a more like true to the movie shade that would be on Rapunzel's lips. I don't want to swatch it. It's gonna make it not pretty anymore. It's a super, super light, pretty pink. I'm obsessed with this. We'll try it on in a second. And this packaging, Floating Lights. I feel like Floating Lights are yellow, but it's a good name for any sort of Rapunzel thing. I'm obsessed with her being on it. Cruelty-free. Okay, I'm actually very glad that if you're gonna do a Rapunzel makeup that is cruelty-free because she's all about the animals. No chameleons were harmed in the making of this product. I like that it's a liquid lip. And it's a really pretty, okay. Let me look at here. I'm gonna do a swatch. This is a much darker color than I think I would usually think of for Rapunzel, but I feel like on the lips, you would probably smooth it out and it would be a much, yeah, that's more what I think of as like a Rapunzel lip. We'll put this on in a second and try it on. Oh, I like the way it's so soft. I don't think I've ever felt anything that I'm like, it's so soft. It really is. I have an idea. And I've been stashing it away in my pocket. So this is the lip shade that they use at the parks for Rapunzel, and I kind of wanted to see them next to each other and see how they compare. And I'll smudge this one out too, since I smudged that one up there a little bit. So the park color is definitely a little more pink, and this one is more of a nude. This one does look pretty accurate to her lips in the movie. If you're going for a movie accurate look, this seems really accurate. I don't know if they were particularly specifically color swatching from the movie or not. In fact, we should maybe look that up. We should look up if they have anything to tell us about the Colourpop collection, because I don't really know a lot. Oh, they have a quiz. Which princess are you? Okay, we need to take this. Who do we think we're gonna get? I know who we hope we get. Which Disney princess are you? I feel like sometimes these aren't accurate because they don't take into account Rapunzel in the series because she's so different in the series. So if we don't get who we want, it's inaccurate. And if we do get who we want, it's accurate. Do you lead with your logical head or your passionate heart? I feel like they're gonna say Rapunzel leads with her passionate heart, but I think she actually, if you've seen the series, she leads with her logical head and passionate heart. So I'm gonna go with logical head. I mean, no, not because Rapunzel does it. I'm taking the quiz wrong. If you could have a loyal sidekick, what animal would it be? An alligator, a fish, a horse, a tiger, or a woodland creature? Where is chameleon? A tiger would be pretty cool. Okay, I'm gonna pick a tiger, but I know what road that's taking me down. How would you describe your crush? Charming and popular. Tough on the outside, sweet on the inside in the picture. What about all of the above? I went with the frog. How would you describe your style? Classic or trendy? Both trendy. Your go-to makeup look? No makeup. What do you like to do for fun? I'm gonna pick exploring new places. What do you want to do for a living? Ta-da! Is YouTuber an option? I am an entrepreneur, a singer, and a travel blogger. Well, not always just travel, but I vlog, and I travel. But the closest I think is probably entrepreneur, but I feel like that's gonna take me down a Tiana route. Not that I don't like Tiana, I love Tiana, but for this, I really want Rapunzel. I have to tell the truth, like Rapunzel would. Maybe this. Where is your ideal vacation? France or cruise? I love cruises. The picture of France is so pretty. Or do we want to go on the cruise? I don't know. I'm taking this way too seriously. But at least with the cruise, you can go multiple places. Cruise. Mirror, mirror, this actually is pretty accurate. You're most like Jasmine. You're headstrong and know exactly what you want out of life. You're free-spirited and love exploring new and exciting places. Oh, wait. I mean, you're Rapunzel. You're headstrong and know exactly what you want out of life. You're free-spirited and love exploring new and exciting places. Rapunzel does way more exploring than Jasmine. They're just saying that because of the magic carpet ride. She wasn't even the one exploring. She was just on the ride singing. Now I got Ariel. I clearly have a problem. One of those problems is I can't get it to give me Rapunzel. Okay, let's just try the makeup on. Okay, so we're gonna try on the blush now because we know the actual answer to our princess personality quiz was Rapunzel. So now, let's try this. Ooh, I like this color. It's more pigmented than I thought it would be, so I got way more on the brush than I needed. I'll put some up over my eyes too. I like this color a lot. In fact, this might be like a new go-to blush. I tend to use blushes also for like up over the eyes, kind of as like the super lightest attempt at eyeshadow ever. I'm not just saying this because it's Rapunzel's color, though that does help, but I really like it. And it probably makes sense that I'd really like it if it's like inspired by Rapunzel. This might be my new favorite blush. And I'm really actually surprised. You wouldn't think I'd be surprised. I just got it because Rapunzel's face was on. I didn't think I was gonna like it this much, so 2 thumbs up for this. Now the Flynn Luxe Liquid Lip. I'm gonna go like really light with this. Oh, it's so soft. It's so soft. I'm like mystified by like how soft it is. I don't think I've ever felt anything this nice on my lips. It feels so good. And it smells kind of like marshmallows. I should have put this on with a lip brush and done it really precisely, but I don't feel like it. I'm giving this 2 thumbs up too. It smells so good. It feels so nice. What does it taste like? It just tastes like brush. Honestly, that's probably very germy, and now I probably need to clean this. But I just needed to know if it tasted like marshmallows too. So let me know in the comments, guys, what you think of this. I am really surprised. You guys, of course, can check out my Rapunzel makeup tutorial in the description. That's one of my favorites. And you know what? I think this is a great blush or lip shade to use for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this Colourpop Disney Designer Collection little Rapunzel unboxing and review, as well as me fighting with a Disney princess quiz trying to get Rapunzel. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. I'm Sarah Engel, and today we're doing Rapunzel things. And usually I'm not, I'm about to say something that this is gonna sound counterintuitive. Usually I'm like, oh, I don't like to have Rapunzel's face actually on things. This one almost looks more like what I would imagine her as, just flattened. That is not a good description. Ooh, that's kind of a cool, like, closing mechanism. You can literally put Rapunzel's name in any of these blanks and they always work. Because she's everything you could ever want and more. I really like it. I said that like 400 times. Because it feels so good. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I don't know why I almost said may the force be with you. That's not Tangled. I've got a dream, I've got a dream. I just wanna get Rapunzel as my answer.